How to deposit check on Laurentian Bank. Welcome back to Techmates, and let's jump right into this tutorial. Starting off, you can search for Laurentian Bank or type in laurentianbank.ca. You'll be directly redirected to the official homepage of your LB. Now, to deposit a check, there is no online feature, unlike some of the banking feature that is provided. Now, to deposit your check, you have to follow the old traditional method, that is, visiting your local Laurentian Bank branch. Firstly, endorse the check by signing your name and writing your account number on the back. You can use a deposit slip provided by the bank to record the check details for your reference, although it is not necessary. Hand the endorsed check and deposit slip if it is necessary. The teller will process the deposit and provide you with a receipt. It is the only way to deposit your checks in your Laurentian Bank. Unfortunately, even the automated banking machine does not currently offer check deposit. We can hope for an update by LB, and hopefully we'll be able to deposit our checks online as well. Which brings up to the end of the video as well. We hope that we were able to help you. Thank you so much for tuning in.